Hi guys, Link from Gardening Express here, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Nephrolepis, also known as the Boston Fern. Now this is an evergreen houseplant with beautiful fountains of leaves. It's really good in kitchens and bathrooms as it loves high humidity. It's okay in bright indirect light and it needs a decent amount of water, but do not waterlog the soil. It's very fast growing as well, so it means that it does get quite big quite quickly. But if that's something you like, with something sort of impressive and quite bursting, then this is definitely for you. So if you like a fast growing, impressive and very green houseplant, then the Boston Fern is the plant for you. If you've liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.